traveling through disorganized roads. The maglev system also decreased travel time across the city, and people began to use the maglev rather than their private vehicles, reducing road congestion. It also increased production at factories and businesses by decreasing the amount of time to transport materials in and out of the city. It also decreased pollution as the maglev operates using electricity generated by tidal turbines. And it also eliminated harmful exhaust emissions from all motorized vehicles.
Our solution to the transportation problem significantly influenced the city's design. Rather than design roads around the city, we designed the city around the roads. We planned transportation systems and other infrastructure before beginning to construct buildings. Buildings were designed vertically to save space and decrease the number of roads needed around the city. Roads also mark boundaries between different city districts, but the maglev systems make sure the areas stay connected.
Our city attracts all types of people because of its peaceful, fulfilling lifestyle. Our factories, engineering and technology companies, and other commercial businesses provide enough jobs for a healthy economy. Our citizens like to play as hard as they work. Our city has parks in every zone for places for sports like baseball, soccer, and basketball. People can also visit the beach for volleyball, swimming, or plain relaxing. Children in our city receive free public education starting in kindergarten through their first 2 years of college. Students can then choose to continue their college education or begin an apprenticeship for a particular job. Once people begin working, they can use libraries and community college courses to stay educated.
Our people can join sports teams that meet in the city's many parks and get healthy produce grown in the vertical farms. Residents can also join one of the many gyms throughout the city. If someone needs a doctor, they can use their Metascan machines, which measures vital signs and sends the information to their doctor for a diagnosis. To manage the waste produced in Ville de Jardin, we compost food waste and recycle non-compostable objects such as paper, metal, and plastic products in our recycling plants. Recyclable materials are then used to create new products for our citizens.
Our city primarily uses solar energy to generate electricity, but tidal generators also provide additional electricity. These generators can continue producing energy on overcast days when solar panels count. We produce electricity this way because it is a clean source of energy that doesn't require fossil fuels. While expensive to install, the panels and turbines pay themselves off because they don't need a constant supply of new fuel.
Our city's water comes from the ocean after going through a desalination plant to extract the salt and then filters to kill bacteria and remove harmful substances. Once citizens and businesses have used this water, it goes through a water treatment process using layers of gravel, sand, and charcoal to remove the contaminants and chlorine to kill the bacteria. Banning gasoline-powered vehicles meant that the city stopped adding hazardous fumes to the air. Our 3 vertical farms help transform carbon dioxide into oxygen through photosynthesis needed to grow plants. Parks throughout the city also contribute to this process.
Many types of engineers contributed to the construction of our city. Civil engineers mapped out designs for our maglev systems and roads. These engineers also created models showing how the new transportation infrastructure shortened commute times and reduced traffic congestion. Mechanical engineers constructed the maglev tunnels, guideways, and vehicles. Finally, electrical engineers installed a power supply for the guideways to keep the maglev and its vehicles functioning properly.
The engineering design process helped us plan, design, and build our city. Our goal was to fix Ville de Jardin's traffic. The original designs for the city were too basic to meet our citizens' needs. Our city needed a complete change. While we had many ideas, most of them were not practical. We spent months working and reworking our designs on paper before we found ones that worked for our transportation system and buildings. Our biggest design challenge was creating our own maglev system. Originally, we wanted it to be underground and have no mechanical parts showing. Unfortunately, our limited budget prevented us from doing this.
The engineering design process helped us create an efficient, diverse, yet beautiful city that is an ideal place for our citizens to live. Thank you for listening to our presentation on Ville de Jardin.